Yeah man, welcome forward to the channel, Jano Star. Yo, Skillian feels that she beat some people bad, but herself she beat no walk one. Welcome forward to the channel. If you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. You see it? And you don't know Amari come out from with her. She named Skillian no? Yeah man. She feels that she beat Queenie them bad and do with them, but I pretty than I beat her bad, you see it? Pretty than I talk up the things them, and Amari and her daughter. Yeah, that little one day, we have a chat off her mouth behind the scene and thing. Yeah, man, feel say some could dance back data still, you see it. But I not think I to chat out the video, I just have to hear pretty than I beat them bad, you see it. I just go and share the video and just go and like it up and just go and drop on a comment anything on one chat say. My phone.
Boris! Okay. Okay, alright. Amari. Yo! Hey! Up them shit here. Amari says she married to herself. Me say she has slow blood clot destiny. They are one altar in a one blood clot funeral ground. That look like when you have bury people and you put on the little sit them on the way you have on the little skirt suit. Mona Lisa look like one blood clot A2 pencil. When you look at stinking Mona Lisa, you have to say Jesus Christ, you man are rotten out like all cane to pussy clot, you know man. You hear thinking destiny, you know. And hey, are you gonna marry yourself? Tell us, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna marry yourself, Amari? Amari said yes. I'm gonna marry my... Move your pussy hole! You alone, why are you? You hear that, yeah? Bitch! Amari, are you alone, why yourself? You better go marry to yourself. 10 more blood clot time and buy 10 more rose. No man at all now look. You look like you go blow away with some breeze, blood clot blow. A man can't even carry you up on a yacht. A man can't even carry you out to make you feel good, but you blew off of the blood clot. When Jack goes up, you couldn't be rose. You would have blew off out of that bumbo clot. When Jack hold on to rose like this, the breeze would have take you the blouse, the shirt, everything gone a blood clot. Water, you would have drowned it before blood clot, Jack. You see me? You don't look good none at all. Before you want marriage. Which part? If Gully Bop did not live in our sewer, never blood clot married to you. Who you think they don't marry to you? Your pussy salt. Jelly pussy things, jelly pussy things. You remember your song? Jelly pussy things, 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 things. You remember your like a jinx? A year whole jinx. A jinx pussy that the dirty kill is whole the way you have is big and jinxy jinxy. That is only jinx. Jinx, jinx, jinx. To all you blood clot jinxy can't jinx no more. Tell a pussy jinx, tell a pussy jinx, tell a pussy jinx. Your jinx hold me at tabo. Kill Mar, it kill Bob, it kill Colin. Whole jinx hold, salt hold, abandon hold, swamp hold. I just that. So when you go marry to yourself, the best. And the best thing you could do for yourself. Nobody at all has not take up that blood clot corruption part for them in. Who you think are going to really go down in front of one skeleton? Hey, Amari Skeletor / Destin, would you take my hand in marriage? You beautiful ink of pen. Huh? You nice looking celery. You nice tall map. Eh? Who you think I go down for? Feed them knee. Nah, see up. Feed them pants. We can propose to you. Me say if go it in my mouth. Never blood clot propose to you. He proposed to me. Jamaica, wow. Get fake engagement before you. When you could have fake married back and do something. You could have did married back and give him green card. And you don't do it. Nobody at all now go propose to you. So you have to go married to yourself. Because yourself alone find yourself attractive, you know. Because you look bad in Amari. Me I tell you every time I see you resemble my pet. Me say me just want to take your cross here from my blood clot book like a so. Eh? I want cross here for me. I don't know. Can the wall get ring? Randy, when he proposed to me, I wasn't surprised. Come to finish my game. Me bumbuck like I'll rat them out. Whoa. I'll rat them out. Whoa. Whoa, way mouth rat and teeth them at your foot time mouth. Nobody know why you are Amari. The man who did why you dead. And one time he did have begged you for help in the hospital, you didn't do nothing. That's what you did. So don't worry to yourself. And you see what you made, Anna? Dirty destiny. You slow daughter. When you recipe them, the only thing you have less is blood clot destiny with slow like you know. Slow poor destiny. Destiny slow like a bomb clot. When you hear destiny talk, you say Jesus Christ, you're Amari Jr. Why you never call destiny Amari Jr.? Destiny, favor like you, fool like you, and can't dress like you are ass. Eh? That is Amari Jr. right there, man. Amari the second. Not Amari the third, you know. Amari the second, man. Jesus Christ, destiny. Go over talk to your mama. Your mama is a disgrace. You too, well, so I need to talk to you two of them. Mighty God, come on. Fuck. Who I miss one community of people. I try to beat off some police the other day. One thing me I go tell Jamaica public, you know. Me not believe say police maliciously beat or shot nobody. You see, them police that when me see that the video there, I give them all right. We shot the whole crowd. We never see so much patience in a Jamaica police in all of my life. For I know myself, you know, and be a Christian police did the right this and that day. You see, them, the bumbuckler police, when they did this and that day, Jesus Christ, bro, God, it look like you have to go fight for them, family them, and hire them to be police too. I have never seen so much calm and cool-headed police in a Jamaica before. Me say one night time, me